Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volkswagen Golf. This is a 2010 model, and I'm just gonna be changing one of the bulbs in this car because when I get the car on, I get that warning lamp there. That one there. Now I've been looking at all my bulbs and checking all the bulbs, and they all look okay. And what I hadn't realized is the one bulb that I didn't check was the fog light. So I've got my computer plugged in and looking at the faults here, it was telling me that the rear fog was faulty, as well as the left backup light bulb. But this left backup bulb was blown a few months ago, so I knew about that, and that one's working okay now because I replaced it. But the fog is the one I didn't actually check. So my fog at the moment, if you get the fog light on, pulling that, and that little sign comes on. Yeah, I may have to close the garage door here. Okay, the fog lamp is in here, in this area that looks like this, the reverse light. That's where the fog lamp is hiding, and the actual reverse lamp is on the other side. So there's only one reverse bulb, by the way, and there's only one fog light bulb. Now if I move a little bit, it kind of looks like that bulb is on. It's a bit deceiving, really. But nevertheless, it's not on. So to get access to that bulb is one of these bulbs. Now not sure we can focus on that or not. Bit difficult to focus on it, but it's a W21W 12 volt 2J3. Right, so to change that bulb, open the boot, get this cover off, pull it out and to one side, and then in here there's that little clip. If you push it open, you'll be able to take this whole thing out. Now if you look at this bulb, this is the fog bulb. The filament in there seems to be fine. So this is what was getting me a little bit confused, because that filament is not blown, it's not broken, or nothing's happened to it. But for whatever reason, this is not working. So then I thought maybe some corrosion or whatnot. But there is some corrosion here, but it's not enough to stop the bulb. So I decided to replace it and see if that is going to be the issue. So let's get that new bulb in there. Let's plug that back up there. This can be a bit tricky to fit back in. It has to fit in a specific position. Okay, there we got it. Put the little cover back in there, slide it in there, and then press it, clip it back on. Right, let's close this now. And there's the fog light that is on now. So this bulb, even though it's okay, it looks okay, it's not working. So let's see now. So I'm gonna switch off the ignition. Let's switch off the fog now, and let's switch off the lights. And I'm gonna switch off the ignition, switch it back on, and hopefully I will not get that warning light anymore. Or maybe I will. Right, so let me just check. I'm gonna check the reverse bulb as well. I just got the car on R without starting it, so that way it's not gonna roll back. And yes, my reverse is not on either. Just a little bit strange. And same procedure. Take the cover out, flick that clip, and take this out, and get this bulb out. So something weird going on here. This bulb is actually, the little filament is also okay. So I'm gonna get another one and replace that and see if we get light. Right, got another brand new bulb here. Let's press it in here. And let's fit this back up here. Okay. I don't know why that thing is so awkward to push it back in. It's a bit annoying, to be honest. Right. Let's see if that reverse comes on now. Yes, reverse is on. So, second time lucky. See if we get rid of that warning. Oh, let's put that on park. And please be gone and don't come back. Yes, it's gone. It's gone finally. And the funny thing is that these bulbs here are not broken. The filaments are actually intact, but the bulbs are faulty. For whatever reason, these bulbs are faulty. So this is a bit of a pain in the ass when you're trying to, and these are Toshiba bulbs, when you're trying to fault find something and you find that the bulbs are actually, they look okay. So it's worth, now I can delete these fault codes here. Well, anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.